Hi there guys, what's up? And welcome to another vlog. Ilonggo Insider here. And today, have you ever wondered kung ano yung lasa ng ating guest for today? Ito yung famous na drink sa Korea, Jinro, Soju. So, ever since I was curious kung ano yung lasa nito guys, so might as well try it, di ba? So, ito yung binili kong isa, yung fresh. Ito daw yung original na flavor talaga ng Jinro, yung Soju. And this one, meron na kasi silang mga flavored, so I took the grapefruit na flavor, right? So, buksan na natin. So, wala naman siya masyadong amoy guys. Try natin sa shot glass. Yun. Wala pa rin. Good luck. Very mild lang siya guys. Unlike yung mga natikman ko na mga parang para siyang may hint ng gin, pero very mild siya. You can actually drink it straight like this. Okay siya, okay. It's not very strong. Kasi before daw yung original nito guys is 24% alcohol by volume. Pero ngayon 17% na siya ngayon in this packaging. So alright, so parang may hint lang siya ng gin guys. And when I drink it straight, smooth naman siya. Sarap. Okay, so let's try the one with the flavor. This one smells like gin talaga. Alright. Same quantity as the first one. So para siyang may amoy ng 7-Up guys. This one. Unlike this one, parang more neutral siya yung amoy. Parang wala siyang amoy. This one meron. Para siyang 7-Up. Okay. Cheers. So may flavor nga siya guys. But I don't think it's grape. Parang ano lang siya, parang may lime itong grapefruit. Sarap din, but I prefer yung isa, yung neutral. So this one is also mas mababa ito guys, 13% lang siya alcohol by volume. So mas matapang pa rin tong original. Alright, so I think mapapadalas yung inom ko na nito dahil smooth siya guys actually. Yung hindi ko lang alam nito kung ano yung tama niya. So thank you so much for joining me here this afternoon, and see you again on my next video.